Hello traders! Over the past few weeks, one question kept coming up again and again. How exactly do you connect TSC with TradeLocker? And yes, unlike MT5 or CTrader, this setup isn't just a plug-and-play process. There are a few extra steps, and if you miss one, things simply won't work the way they should. So today, we're going to show you the entire process, step by step, clearly and without skipping anything. First, you need to open a TradeLocker account through any reliable broker you trust. To demonstrate the full process, we'll be using a demo account. So go ahead and create your TradeLocker account by following the steps shown on the screen. If you don't have one yet, you can simply open a demo account for testing. Once your account is ready, open the TradeLocker platform and sign in using the credentials provided by your broker. If you haven't installed TradeLocker on your PC, just visit their official website and download it from there. Now let's move to the main setup. Start by opening your MT5 trading platform. Connect it with Telegram Signal Copier and make sure the EA is properly set up. After that, go to the TSC installation folder and locate the TradeLocker bot file. Double-click the file and it will automatically attach to your MT5 platform. Next, drag the TradeLocker EA onto the chart. The input settings will immediately appear on your screen. Here, enter all the required credentials, including your email, password, server, and account ID, exactly as provided when you created your TradeLocker account. Since we're using a demo account, make sure Demo is selected. If you trade instruments that require symbol mapping, set Use Symbol Mapping to True. Now there's one important step left. Go to the Tools section in your MT5 platform and add the required URL under the Web Request settings. This step is essential because all trades are first executed on MT5 and then mirrored to your TradeLocker account. Once the EA is properly attached to MT5, open Telegram Signal Copier. If you haven't added your MT5 account yet, do that first. Then copy the channel ID from the Telegram group or channel where signals are being sent and paste it into the channel ID section inside the EA. Finally, keep both MT5 and TradeLocker running at the same time. To test everything, send a few dummy signals to your Telegram channel. If everything is configured correctly, you'll see the trades executing instantly. And that's it. Your TradeLocker platform is now successfully connected with Telegram Signal Copier. If you still feel confused about any step, re-watch the video carefully. And if you get stuck somewhere, let us know in the comments. We're here to help. If this video helped you even a little, don't forget to leave a like. See you in the next one.